Hey guys! Today once again we have a Bosch cordless drill driver. I got it from a liquidation company and it was diagnosed as a faulty switch. By looking at the symptoms, I'm expecting it to be something else. As you can see, the LEDs light up, but the motor seems to only work half of the time. So let's check it out. As always, let's crack the case open, remove the insides, and separate the gearbox from the motor. And you might see it by now, but we have a huge break in the windings of the motor. And if we measure the resistance between each one of the three faces, we can see that there is a break in one of the lines. If you're interested in why we expect a low resistance reading, check out this video right here. Now we can take it under a microscope. And as you can see, those are actually two different parts of the windings that we need to connect. I'm going to scrape some of the coating and thin the wires. And after joining the second winding, we can bring it back to the table. And as you can see, I have also applied some epoxy to decrease the stress on the solder joints. And with that done, we can now see the motor measures correctly. So after a quick reassembly, we expect it to work just fine. And as you can see, it does. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, consider subscribing. And if there is anything else you'd like to see fixed, let me know down in the comments.